Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by narrowing who will pay for precise transcripts. Pick 3 niches like podcasts, legal, or medical because specialization wins trust. Once chosen, list 20 potential clients and the contact who hires transcription. Then create one short, clear pitch and a tailored sample for each niche to prove competence. Make sure samples show speed and accuracy. This immediate focus replaces vague advertising. Start contacting the list today using the tailored pitch and sample to open the first conversations. Once you have targets, run a coordinated outreach campaign combining email and LinkedIn. Send a 4-touch sequence across 2 weeks to build familiarity. Offer a free trial segment or a 10 to 15% discount on the first job to lower friction and prove quality. Make sure to deliver timed samples and request 2 short testimonials immediately after. These proofs speed decisions and create momentum. Continue follow-ups, and if someone engages, convert quickly by confirming rates, deadlines, and file transfer methods. To close and scale, use a simple contract that states scope, rate, turnaround, and revision limits so you avoid scope creep. You sign and return quickly. Once done, automate invoicing and delivery with templates and file transfer tools to free time for more work. Make sure to request clarifying questions before starting each job to prevent rework. If you get pushback on quality or timing, offer a focused correction within 24-48 hours as a troubleshooting step, and adjust processes to prevent repeat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.